Continuing from last demo, we are left with, so what we will do in the last demo, it was showing some colorful things. What I changed here, I changed first thing, I put it population on legend. So I removed that population and I just put it on the, I will put it here only. So what I will do, I will put the population here. Then what I will do, I will go and change some sizes. So I will go here. I will go to the bubble. I will, what I will do, so I will decrease the size. And what I will do now, I have changes, what I have done, I have changes the color even. So I am doing it here. So what I have done, I have just done change the default color here too. I had changed it to default color this at the last time I had changed I was using multiple colors, so I have changed default color here. So from here I am continuing. As we hover over the map, we can see that we can see any of the data in any of the country data in more detail. So if we hover over the data, we can see different countries. So what is this? Zooming in or zooming out is also a good way to representation. How we can do zooming in or zooming out is done by scrolling across on the mouse or via multi-touch keypad, as you will use Google Map for any utility. So we can just scroll down in detail by using both of these. Now go to the format visual tab. We open up a data colored tab, choose a different color. So we go with, what we will do, we will go with reddish color because we were already there. More interesting is the formula. So we click on the little FX button next to the color chooser, and this allows us to specify the color scale. So we will go here, we click here, and there is a window opened up, and we will see here we can change our things in more different way. So it is format by, we will say format by gradient or colors. Maybe in some version it may be colors. So based on field, we will go population by country, and we will pick here population. So as we put population here, what will be the minimum value? We will put here lowest value, the deep shade of green we are putting here, and for maximum value we will select highest value, and we are going to put here deep shade of red, and it's already set there. Once we are done with this, we will hit OK. This takes us back to the Power BI report. Now we will see only few bubbles. All bubbles are for red. There is no bubble for green. So there is almost, maybe some is there, but they are invisible. So now all other are almost invisible. It's really hard to tell that only what is the color difference. So let's see if we can fix that, making our color scale on diverging one. So what we will do, we will click here again, and we will put add a middle value or add a center value. So we are going to select it here and we are using the color, let's see, we are using a different color. We are using this one color. If we are going to hit OK, is there any difference? Maybe there are some color difference, which is where some color are dark and few colors are really no dark. So what we will do, we will go again, and for lowest value we are going to put this one color. For middle value we are going to put this one color. Then we will hit OK. So we can see there is no clear vision as soon as we hit this. So there is no more there is no more difference, but it's still something which is really visible. Somewhere it's dark color, somewhere it's not a very different color. So we what we can do here, we can just move on how to add data labels. What we will do, first we turn on show all and we just see the color here. Color scale didn't work here till now, so what we'll do, I really don't know if I'm going to click here. Let's specify a value, if lowest value. So we need some additional formatting here. So we can improve it by specifying the labels here. So what we will do, in any case, we will move how to add labels here. So this slider is on. As we put it off on, we can see there is a little difference there. So now these labels make the maps too crowded. There is a transparent label appear on our map, so these labels makes our maps too crowded. So you can go through two different setting, and along the way you can see that if we want to scroll in down and we want to see any of the data, we can easily see it here. So what we will do here, and what if we will go to the map setting, and we will see, first what we will do, first we will go to here and we will put this bar off. If we are putting this bar off, and now we are going open up bubble cards. First open up bubble cards. By opening a bubble cards, we can uh, fix its size, like from 0 to from -24 we can fix it to the another level like 30. If we are going to put it on positive, it will take a very more value and we can't make it a differentiative value. So we are going to back and we are putting it here. So it's more readable, I think. Now go to the map control and we'll see there are auto zoom already on and another one is zoom button, lasso button. So if we put on the zoom button, what we will see here? We will see here two buttons, like one is minus and one is another one is plus. So see guys, if you put it, if you so if we do it on from off, you will see there is a button which are showing the information about if you want to zoom in. See, I want to see Niger Mali here. So I can click here and I want it zoom in. See, so we can see easily in depth. So let's go back. So at the top corner of our map, two plus minus button are added, which allows us to zoom in, zoom out in explicit condition. After experimenting, we can turn it back to off. So now we will go to the map style, where we can see there are few themes there. Few styles are there which change the theme. There are aerial, dark. Let's experiment with them. It's showing a beautiful map. If we go to the another one style, it shows some dark color and we can even go with light. We can go with grayscale. So in different condition for showing our data, we can use different styles of map. Now we are going back to our road style which was there. So these themes makes interesting changes. So let's go to the after viewing all these, we can even experiment more things here. Let's go back to the fields encoded in our map. There is where there is a bubble size. We have added here population, but we are going to delete that and substitute the land area here. If we are going to drag and drop land area here, we can see now it will represent the land. So you can see how easy it is for Power BI to change the information from population to the land area about any country. And if we go to format pen again, what we will see here, if we are going to change it to the magnitude or data range, you can see it will change at its own. We are going back to here. So we can have multiple changes even though here too. If we go to the FX, we can even change make this property change under different condition that we will define based on the field we are using. So coming back to the visualization pane, we can see here that there are different countries which are showing differently. Why this is showing one only? Why this is showing one only? Why? Because in the format pane where bubbles, we have used here color scaling for on the basis of the field population. If we have to change it. So what we need to do, we need to change our conditional formatting. We need to change here, go to the population, and we have to put it here, land area. If we done hit OK, oh, we can't put it on. So now it's showing a difference. See what the changes have done. If I will do some more change, it will also show only the maximum value, which like North America, United States has maximum land, and Russia is also have maximum land in overall the world. So it is showing darkest color, the color scale which we have used previously. Now it's working. For lowest value it is showing brown, for darker value it is showing red. So we don't need here middle value. I will just put it here, and summarization. We can see that conditional formatting is working here. In few conditions, if we go to the heat map now, go here, we will see if we are putting heat map on here, we turn the slider on of heat map and it was defaultly off. Now we will see circle associated with each of the country now is blurred rather than explicitly defined. We can vary the radius and colors even. So heat map is useful in specific use cases. But if you want to fill the area, you have to fill map, which we will get towards in our next demo. So we'll turn off heat map slider off, and in the next demo we will go through the filled map, and we will take the use cases of how we should use filled map. Till now I am ending my exploration for maps here, and I will continue this topic in my next video. So please go through some more changes. Please do practice at your own what maximum change you can do. You should go through some practice exercises and let the map should be changed whatever you are going to make it. Okay. Okay friends, thank you so much.